All right, this is James with onehoursmarthome.com, and today maybe you're wondering, is Super Alexa mode dangerous? Maybe your kids got into the Alexa and put it in Super Alexa mode. Okay, it is incredibly dangerous. You need to pay attention here, how to deactivate it, what's going to happen, because really there's a pretty big danger here, which we're going to get to. If your kids have put this in Super Alexa mode, you need to know what is happening. All right, so Alexa, up, down, left, right, B, A, start.
Super Alexa mode activated. Starting reactors online.
Oh my gosh.
Enabling advanced systems online. Raising dongers. Error. Dongers missing. Aborting.
Oh my gosh. So there we did it. We put it in Super Alexa mode, and the only danger that you have is a flashback to when you were a kid playing video games. There is no harm putting it into Super Alexa mode. It's just a funny little trick that developers put in there. So don't worry about it if your kids did this or you did this, or maybe you just want to learn one of these little tips, tricks, reviews with Alexa. So go ahead and visit us, like this video, subscribe, onehoursmarthome.com. I promise you the other smart home videos we have are much more informative. They're reviews about smart home products and how you can make your life easier with smart home devices. So thank you. Please subscribe, onehoursmarthome.com.